Outfit check. Ready na kami mag-safari sa Animal Kingdom. Let's go! I'm so excited.
Easy rice corn.
I love you! Woo! Good morning vlog. It's 4:45 a.m. And gising na kami ng 3 a.m. Tapos di na kami nakatulog. Di namin alam excited ba kami o ano. And we're thinking about what will happen, what we have to do in Animal Kingdom kasi magpa-park up pa kami. Ayun. So ngayon, liligo lang kami. Kakainin namin yung natira namin Jollibee. Aloha. And then, we'll go from there. Alright? Ayun si Mrs. O. Yeah. Sorry, makalat agad. Alright. Kasi, ang tapang ng lasa ng bacon. Tapos, refreshing yung pineapple. Food vlog! Hey, up. This is our final get up for the first day. Yo, ready. Outfit check. Ready na kami mag-safari sa Animal Kingdom. Let's go! I'm so excited. First time. Let's see. Alright. Pwede na yan.
Anong ginagawa mo?
Kinakabahan ka na ba? Gusto kami kinakabahan. Because we have to like stay English all day.
Kaya mo na yun.
Is this where we come out? I think this is way. Naliligaw agad kami. Sa hotel pa lang. Ligaw agad. Oh, it's cold.
Oh. Like, well, oh, you don't believe this way, so you know.
Which way? Maybe we're gonna wait here?
I don't know.
Or let's just ask them.
Tanongin mo.
Excuse me. We're waiting for the shuttle. Do we have to wait here or do you have to go there?
I don't know.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah,
I'm so sorry, sir. I'm sorry, my bad. Yes, sir.
Disney shuttle stop. I think it's right over. There's a sign.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, sir.
Magic Kingdom, Animal Kingdom.
Thank you, sir. So we're here in the shuttle. Pero nakakaya talaga yun.
Alin?
Nagtanong pa ako.
Sorry.
It's okay. At matibay tayo, hindi tayo naka-jacket. Sila naka-jacket. We're finally here at Animal Kingdom and one thing is for sure, it's so cold. I think we have to wear our sweater and stuff.
Ginagawa mo?
Ikaw nga, may usok. Akin, no. Walang kalamig-lamig. Basic. Pero nanginginig. Mahal. Here's the Magic Kingdom. Animal Kingdom, I mean. There you go, Animal Kingdom.
Like, put your thing up there.
We have to make it. Try again. We can try this one.
Okay, has she done the finger before?
Finally, Ariel happened to me. Nakapasok na kami. Daming tao. We'll check them up. So, dami namin pinanood na video ng mga strategies, planning, mga tips, and pinag-aralan talaga namin maigi talaga to para sa masulit namin, ma-enjoy namin. Kaya ang magiging strategy namin ay wala. Enjoyin lang. It's so cold. Like, wow, that's the animal. Wow, it's the tree of life.
World tree sa Hunter x Hunter.
Yeah, ang saya ng tugtog. Andito na kami sa Tree of Life. Ang ganda. Now, we are going to Africa right now. And hopefully, makita namin si Black Panther. Walang katapusang lakaran ito. So, dahil umuusok-usok, pin ko kapag umutot ka, uusok eh. Oh no! Tingin. Pag umutot ka, uusok. Sangalewa, konnichiwa. Yay! Oh, nice. Go, Mahal.
Mahal yung ano mo.
Welcome to Africa. Ay, sorry. So, we're going to safari first. So, we want to see the animals first thing in the morning because they say that they are more active in the morning and we want them active, so we will be active as well. Ganda oh. So this is the safari, Kilimanjaro safari with my wife, of course. Oh, parang sila yung kasama kayo. Video mo ako saglit. Yeah, we're here already in the safari truck. Here we go! We're done with the safari. How will you rate it? From 1 to 10. For me, it's a 7.
8.5. Ano lang kasi, walang masyadong nakita.
Yeah, like, I expected too much that they would be so awake in the morning, but this is the opposite. Wow, so many people. And then after this, we're gonna go to Asia. Welcome to Asia. Welcome to Asia, my friend. Drink wala. Let's go. We're so ready to shout. Oh, ganda ng bid natin. Nice. I really like it. Oh no! So we're here, ready to conquer Nepal. Ayan, kinakabahan ka na ba? Yes! Good for you. Ayan na, mahal. Bito-bito sa unahan. I love you! Woo! I love you! Woo! Masarap. Ang bilis! Parang mas nakita ko. Going back. 2 minutes, but wow. Wala ka na videoan. So, how will you rate the expedition? Everest.
Mga 8.5.
Sa akin, 9. I enjoyed it even though I got scared for a bit.
Parang naiiwan yung kaluluwa ko, gano'n.
Lalo yung patras, ang saya. That's fun. Ganda. Anong i-rate mo dun sa
Ano yun sa akin? Mga 8.5.
sa akin 9 yun. Nag-enjoy ako. Kasi parang, ewan ko, hindi ako,
Bakit wala?
masaya siya, masaya. Tapos, ang ganda pa ng mga dinosaur. Ang ganda ng mga dinosaur, mahal. Nakakatakot siya. Ito kami sa Asia. Ito lang pala yung Asia. Pumupunta pa tayong Pinas. Here now at Asia. We're ordering at 8 Spoon Cafe. Hopefully it's a good choice to eat here. We're doing our breakfast, our lunch earlier. It's already 10:48 a.m. and we're really hungry. This is our food. This is our lunch for today
That was delicious.
/ snack. Dito po tayo ngayon sa kagubatan ng Africa. O Asia na natin. This one is good.
May ay.
No. Para sa akin mga ano to, 8. 8 out of 10. Masarap siya. Try the barbacoa beef. This is good too. Like, an 8 too. An 8 for me. Let's go back to this one. This is better. This is a must try. It's good. It tastes like gummy bear. Sarap.
That was delicious.
What can you say?
Sarap.
Napagod ako. Pero nag-enjoy ako. Masaya ako. Nag-enjoy ako talaga. Promise. Dito pa lang kami sa Animal Kingdom, ah. Kami prepared. Hindi kami prepared mabasa. That's why. We bought some ponchos. It's actually like an emergency one whenever it rains, but we decided to use it here so we won't get wet. Maganda mo.
Bakit?
You're so pretty with your hair.
Really?
Yeah. We just finished
the Flight of Passage, and it was really fun.
As a Flight of Passage, parang it's the closest thing sa flying. Parang mafe-feel mo talaga na parang lumilipad ka.
Yeah, I feel like you're flying and dropping and stuff. Plus the other effect with water and wind. Ano nga lagi akong tumitingin kay Bing. Titignan ko lang siya, tapos nakangiti lang siya. Saya ko na din. Yan na. Oh, totoo. Bye, Animal Kingdom. We'll miss you.